I started doing photography when I was little. I started shooting just for hobby, but many years ago I started shooting babies. I working with babies, with kids, and I started shooting, and I did that. It's a good idea doing a professional, and I did. And just now I'm shooting. I have my own company. The name is HOOVER Photography, and I do photography on location. I shoot in maternity, babies, newborn, portrait. Yeah, definitely. I want to keep going in photography. I want to open my own studio. This is my goal for in 2 years. And just now working for photography, and I want to continue do it. Okay, you can find me in www.Hoover Photography. You're gonna see my website over there, or you can contact me to lhooverphotography@gmail.com. Hi, I'm Lina. I'm a photographer and a raw artist.